What's up, gang? This is Marcus Souza coming at you with HeleFitness equipment, and we are giving a big shout out to SourceFind Asia for helping us with our business. We started about 4 years ago, and we had some serious problems with quality. We were getting certain products that were just not meeting the standards. For example, like barbells that were having zinc run off the top of them, bumper plates that weren't meeting the standards, misprinted logos, and we had some serious tribulations here in Hawaii. Rico helped us find the manufacturers that we needed to get the quality for the products that we carry into the marketplace. And if it wasn't for him, it would have been a real nightmare. So we want to say thanks again for Rico for really helping our business from where we were to where we are. Our product quality has advanced probably 300%. As a matter of fact, we're going to be flying out to meet Rico and his team, and we're looking forward to seeing him. But nonetheless, he's provided a great service, and we really appreciate what he's done. There's absolutely no way we'd be where we are if it wasn't for SourceFind Asia and Rico.